You'll get to know the 11 things the rich never buy despite having money. Most of these expenditures are made by the middle class, so watch this video till the end to know all these and avoid them. Now let's start. Number 1. Spontaneous buying decisions. It's a common scenario. We encounter an attractive item on sale, make the purchase, and later find ourselves questioning that choice once we're back home. Frequently, we find ourselves making impulse purchases, a behavior that sets us apart from wealthier individuals, for whom acquiring an additional pair of jeans is of minimal interest. As the esteemed Warren Buffett once remarked, if you purchase items that are unnecessary, you will inevitably find yourself in a position where you will have to sell things that are essential for survival. Creating a shopping list prior to your visit to the store can be a strategic approach to minimize unnecessary expenditures. Number 2. Apparel and footwear from luxury brands. Affluent individuals have the means to invest in high-end, luxurious apparel from the latest and most fashionable designer collections. However, if their lifestyle does not include regular social engagements, they tend to avoid making those types of purchases. Consider the way Steve Jobs presented himself through his attire. In a similar vein, Bill Gates opts for a watch priced at $10, while Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich demonstrates a willingness to be seen in public sporting inexpensive t-shirts. Even the spouse of the heir to the British throne frequently opts for accessible fashion choices. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more such purchases. Number 3. Recent releases of widely used devices. An affluent individual typically refrains from hastily purchasing the newest model of a fashionable smartphone or watch, even when their current device may be outdated or no longer in vogue. Wealthy individuals approach their purchasing decisions with a distinct mindset. They evaluate whether the investment will provide value at this specific time. Electronic gadgets tend to lose their value rapidly and become outdated in a short period of time. Number 4. High-quality toys for children. Individuals with moderate earnings frequently indulge their children, purchasing items at the slightest request, thereby populating their spaces with the latest fashionable toys. If millionaires were to act in a similar manner, their children would undoubtedly be overwhelmed with an abundance of toys and gadgets. However, affluent individuals tend to prioritize sensible spending and refrain from purchasing their children a new doll or playset solely based on television advertisements. Number 5. Fast food and junk food. The primary distinction between the daily menu of a millionaire and that of someone with a modest income lies not in the price of the items consumed. We often observe that individuals with substantial wealth place a significant emphasis on maintaining a healthy diet. While they may indulge in similar cereals and vegetables as the average person, it's unlikely you would find a billionaire opting for kebabs, hamburgers, French fries, or mayonnaise-laden salads from the prepackaged section of the supermarket. Most of the common people indulge into these expenses just because of cravings and end up spending a lot of money by the end of the month. Number 6. Costs associated with representation. This essentially includes the expenses associated with projecting an image of wealth and success. In simpler terms, it's akin to obscuring the truth from others. We are discussing high-end banquets, premium travel options, and the acquisition of new vehicles. Individuals seeking to project a wealthier image often allocate significant amounts of money towards this goal. Conversely, those who achieve genuine success frequently maintain a lifestyle characterized by modesty. For example, Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, consistently opted for economy class flights and chose to drive an older model Volvo. Regarding Queen Elizabeth II, she implements energy-saving measures at her residence in Buckingham Palace. Number 7. Excessive education chances for their kids. Individuals with a typical income frequently engage multiple home tutors for their children. Some pursue this with the expectation of uncovering the child's latent abilities, which may pave the way for a fulfilling and successful future. Some believe that engaging tutors can enhance a child's academic performance and lead to improved grades in school. Wealthy individuals understand from their own experiences that an overabundance of tutoring does not necessarily correlate with attaining financial prosperity. They provide their children with ample opportunities to savor the joys of childhood. Number 8. Psychics, mystics, and fortune tellers. Research indicates that the majority of clients seeking the services of fortune tellers tend to possess lower analytical skills. Simultaneously, rational thinking is likely the essential trait for attaining financial prosperity and success. Moreover, individuals who excel often possess a strong sense of self-belief. They typically do not rely on external forces for support. Number 9. Hyped coaching for personal growth. Individuals with limited income and unsatisfactory career paths, along with those facing challenges in their personal lives, often find themselves as the primary audience for opportunistic life and business coaches. There has been considerable discussion regarding the effectiveness of these training sessions, particularly in relation to Tony Robbins. His seminars generate substantial revenue due to premium pricing and the ongoing demand from individuals eager to enhance their social skills. Before allocating your funds to various motivational courses, consider reviewing the biographies of renowned billionaires. It is improbable that you will encounter a single narrative of someone achieving wealth by following overhyped lifestyle gurus. If you really want to gain some education, then getting into a seminar after checking the history and achievement of the main speaker is important. If you have investigated that and found it positive, then you may pay for the tickets. But paying solely for motivation won't make you rich. You will have to implement those learnings consistently and have to work hard too. And thus the millionaires never waste money on this, as they know it very well that they are investing both their time and money for just getting some inputs and not for outputs directly. Number 10. Contemporary interior design. New varieties of furniture and interior decor are introduced in stores each month. Consequently, individuals in the middle class often allocate significant funds in an effort to keep up with the latest trends in home decor. Regrettably, these design solutions often lose their relevance within just a few years. Suddenly, floral wallpaper has fallen out of favor, while vibrant geometric patterns have taken center stage. It's an opportune moment to refresh your entire space. Before proceeding, it's advisable to examine several images of affluent individuals' home interiors. Frequently, when observing the residences of accomplished individuals, it can be challenging to ascertain the age of the owners. Painted walls, whitewashed ceilings, and wooden or tiled floors are enduring choices that have stood the test of time, favored by those with a keen eye for lasting value. Number 11. Hyped subscription services. Subscription-based services, spanning streaming platforms, digital magazines, curated meal kits, and fashion rental services, are often promoted as vital enhancements to one's lifestyle. However, affluent individuals typically evaluate these offerings with careful consideration. It is important to recognize that these ongoing charges, while they may appear insignificant at first glance, can add up to considerable costs in the long run. Instead of signing up for every new service that claims to provide convenience or entertainment, wealthy individuals carefully assess whether the offering genuinely enhances their lives or simply takes advantage of temporary trends. Rather than automatically signing up for the newest subscription box, individuals tend to favor deliberate purchases that align with their genuine needs, demonstrating a mindset grounded in financial responsibility rather than impulsive buying habits. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the assets that will keep your family rich forever. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.